Welcome back to the garden, everybody. Do you guys like fresh cucumbers? I love them. Straight from the garden, there's nothing better. I just put out a recent video about homemade organic fertilizer for my cucumber bed, and I wanted to give you an update. So this is my first year doing a full cucumber raised bed. In the past, I've done them in rows. And like I said, I just made this homemade organic fertilizer, which is on my last video, and I wanted to show you an updated result on this cucumber bed. As you can see, I'm growing them vertically, which I love because then the cucumbers can suspend straight in the air, which is awesome. Now I use that organic fertilizer, and I also use a granular fertilizer at the beginning, and that helps it over time. For cucumbers specifically, I want a high nitrogen and a high phosphates. See, a granular fertilizer typically takes 2 to 8 weeks to have a slow release in the soil over time, but look, by combining these together, this thing is just loaded down. And if you go back and watch my other 2 videos, I show you 2 different tips on how I got an abundance of cucumbers on this bed. That's what loves nitrogen. Cucumbers love nitrogen. So if you haven't already, go back and check out those other 2 videos where I show you the tips and tricks that I've learned to get these amazing results. Organic or natural, which is better for you, of course. And there you go. I just wanted to show you the progress of this cucumber bed, and I hope it inspires you to go out and grow your own food even this year or the next.